Need for the code of legal ethics. Why can't lawyers just do whatever they want? A code is necessary because public trust. The legal profession is a noble profession, not a mere business. The public must trust that lawyers act with integrity. Administration of justice. Lawyers are officers of the court. If they are unethical, the entire justice system fails. Prevention of exploitation. It protects vulnerable clients from being overcharged or misrepresented. Discipline. It provides a legal framework. Disciplinary committees. To punish black sheep who engage in professional misconduct. Public trust. The legal profession is considered a noble profession, not just a business. A code of ethics ensures that lawyers act honestly, so people can trust them. Administration of justice. Lawyers are officers of the court and play an important role in delivering justice. If they act unethically, it can harm the entire justice system. Prevention of exploitation. The code protects clients, especially vulnerable ones, from being cheated, overcharged, or misled by lawyers. Discipline. It provides rules and a proper system to punish lawyers who behave wrongly. Disciplinary committees take action against such misconduct to maintain the profession's dignity.